Hello, 5th graders! Welcome to your science class video review of your quiz. Today, we're just going to go through the topics that we need to study for our science quiz. So, what we're gonna do right now is that we are going to review the vocabulary words. So, the first vocabulary words that we have is xylem. Xylem. As you can see here, xylem is the red part of the stem. It's the tube that transports water and minerals in vascular plants. So this red part is the tube that transports water and minerals in vascular plants, the xylem, alright? Then we have the phloem. The phloems are the tube that transport food and minerals in vascular plants. So you need to be careful with this because the phloem is the yellow part of the stem. And as you can see here, the phloem is what transports the food and minerals. And the xylem, which is the red part, are the tubes that transport water and minerals. So that you have to be careful. Xylem with water and phloem with minerals and food. And last but not least, we have the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is a pigment of coloring matter that helps plants that use light energy to produce sugars. So the chlorophyll is what gives color to the plant. That is basically what makes the plants color green, or the flowers color white or pink or orange or purple, or whatever color they want to be or the Lord wants them to be. So the chlorophyll is basically what that gives color to the plants. Now let's go ahead with the part of the plant and their functions. So we have here, obviously don't worry about it, the flowers that helps in production. Okay, it helps in production of other plants, of course. Then we have the leaf that performs the photosynthesis. And we have the fruit that protects the seeds. We have the stem that supports plant. And the root that absorbs the water and minerals and is like the anchor of the plant. So this is the shoot system and this is the root system. But just study this. The flowers helps in reproduction. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Fruit protects the seed. Stem supports the plant. Root absorbs water and mineral. Now, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna watch the video here.
Most important things on the planet Earth. Without plants, there would be no food to eat and no oxygen for animals to breathe. Plants have different parts where each part has different roles to play. All plants have two main basic parts. That is, the root and the shoot. The part of the plant that remains under the ground is known as the root. The part of the plant that remains above the ground is known as the shoot. The main function of shoot is to produce food for the plant by process of photosynthesis, and it carries out the process of reproduction too. The main functions of roots are to anchor the plant in the soil and to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and also stores food in some plants. Now let's learn the function of roots in detail. Roots absorb water from the soil, which in turn provides the plants with nutrients and minerals. As we need food and water to live, same way, plants need these minerals and nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Minerals and nutrients travel up the roots to the stem and different parts of plants to provide nutrition to all parts of the plant. Roots anchor the plant. That is, root fix the plants into the soil. Roots also hold soil particles together that prevents the soil from being washed away with rain or storm. So roots are the support system of the plant. Some roots also store food in them, like carrots, radish, and turnips are tap roots that we eat. Now let's see different types of roots. There are mainly two kinds of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. When a single thick main root grows below the stem, it is called taproot. Many thin roots, which are unequal in size, grow from this main root. Beans, carrots, mango, radish, rose, hibiscus, and turnips are the plants that have taproots. Taproots store food in them, and we eat these roots. When a bunch of many thin and bushy roots grow below the stem, it is called fibrous root system. These thin and bushy roots are nearly equal in size. Grasses, maize, bamboo, coconut tree, onion, rice, and wheat are the plants that have fibrous roots. Now let's learn about the shoot of the plant. Part of the plant that grows above the ground is called shoot. Now let's see different parts of the shoot. Leaves, petioles, nodes, buds, flowers, fruits, and branches are all different parts of shoot, and each part plays a different role. Stem is the central main part of the plant. It holds the plant upright. Leaves prepare food for the plant with the process of photosynthesis, and leaves are also called the food factory of plants. Flowers. They are the most beautiful part of the whole plant and are the reproductive part of the plant too. And we will learn more about flowers, its structure, and different parts in our next assignment. Fruits. Fruits store the food prepared by the plants and also enclose seeds within them. Different types of plants have different types of stems. Big trees have strong, very hard, and woody stem, which is called a trunk. Shrubs. Shrubs have brown and thick stems, but not as thick as trees. Herbs have green and soft stems. Climber and creepers have very soft and green stems that can't keep the plant upright. Creepers and climbers need some support of an outside object to climb up or crawl along. Some stems are thick and juicy. For example, sugarcane. Sugarcane is a thick and juicy stem that people eat. Some stems remain underground and store food like ginger, potato, and onion. These are actually stems that we eat.
So basically what we learned about the stems and everything is like a general review of what you need to study for your quiz. So just remember the vocabulary, the parts of the plant and their functions, and if you want to add more knowledge to your study time, just watch the video I just gave you. So I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.